Good morning. And remember that beautiful message that we should carry in the palm of our hand today. As the Father loves me, so I love you. Remain in my love. How do I remain in the love that God gives to me? Is it in my relationships? Is it in my prayer? Is it in my outreach to the poor? Ask yourself the question, because it must be asked. Am I someone who remains in God's love? What does that mean for me? It's not just I kind of flit around with the love of God, but remaining in it is not always easy, because those who remain in God's love must have challenges. That love is always tested, but it doesn't go away. Remain in God's love, and that will nurture your whole life, because you then praise the Lord out of that context of love.